Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to save sound in TikTok. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post videos like this in our channel. So let's get on with today's video. So first, open TikTok and click whichever sound you like. So let's suppose I like the sound of this video, so I'm gonna press on share and then press on copy link. And once this video's link is copied, I'm gonna go to my Google browser or Google Chrome. Then over here you have to go to this website called sssstick.io. So basically, once you're in this website called sssstick.io, you're gonna paste the link which you just copied from TikTok over here. So let me paste my and then click on download. So it's processing, wait for some time. Now this option appears. Now over here you can download the video without watermark or download the video with watermark or just download the mp3. So we want the sound, so we're gonna click on download mp3. Let's just close this ad. Then click on this three dot over here and then click on download and press download again, and then it's downloading right now. The audio is currently downloading. So the audio is downloaded, so let me check this audio real quick. So let me go to my downloads in Google. So as you guys can see, the audio has been downloaded. Let me play it. So that's how you download audio from TikTok. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, because we post content like this on our channel. And comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.